Hey everyone, this week we are back with another blacksmithing video. This week we'll be firing up my smithing furnace for the first time, as well as practicing rounding and squaring steel. One thing I'm not a fan of is the flames reaching the propane line when I initially lit the furnace. Gonna have to work on that. I also decided on the spot to sort of make a horseshoe because I wanted to see if I could successfully round something using the horn of the anvil. Okay, so that was pretty fun to actually use the furnace for the first time. That rebar was tough. Next time I'm going to try to get some mild steel stock, which will hopefully be easier to move. I'm also pretty happy with how the horseshoe came out, because all I really wanted to do was curve it over the horn of the anvil just to be able to say that I used the horn of the anvil, and I think it came out pretty well, all things considered. Okay, that is all I have for you this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing if you did, and I will see you next week. Bye!